Yes. The season which most of us enjoy and some of them hate due to tears showered by God, which causes many problems. So here we have come up with an idea of multi-purpose helmet.
Here our company introduction. This company was established in the recent year 2013. The address goes by this way, and the address is, the company is situated at Metoda. The email ID of our company is safetytechno@gmail.com, and the website www.safetytechno.org. This is our company's logo, Street Racer. This is our company letterhead. We believe in unity. This is myself, Deepen Kaku, the CEO of our company. The managing director of our company is Ms. Simran Chania. Hitesha Ranparia is the company secretary. The production manager of our company is Bansa Jodhani. The finance manager is Janvi Shingala. And the marketing manager is Saurabh Kalyani.
The outer coat, like a helmet, protects us, our head, while if we meet with an accident. So outer coat should be hard, and helmet protects us from the shocks which we get while during accidents, and it reduces injuries. And the comfort padding, it is a cloth. It provides padding. It is stitched in the inner side of the helmet, and it makes people comfortable.
It has inbuilt Bluetooth. It avoids accidents and people can talk while driving. It has a wiper which helps during rainy season to clean the water droplets and the dust particles.
Advantages of helmet: it lessens the chances of accidents. It saves times because many people pick up the call while driving, and it has smooth inner surface which contains aloe vera, and which gives many advantages to our hair.
Our target market. This is a helmet which everyone uses. So there is no particular target market like consumers or producers or anything like that. Here, each and every people can use this helmet, whosoever needs it. And government is making it compulsory to use helmets while driving. So this helmet is best in rainy season also.
Sample of newspaper advertisement, magazine advertisement, radio jingle.
जब जब बारिश का बादल छाया, जब हेलमेट पहन के ना दिखाई देने का साया लगा, जब बाइक चलाते समय फोन पे कॉल आया, जब ये तन्हा दिल घबराया, हमने दिल को ये समझाया, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है, स्ट्रीट रेसर हेलमेट साथ ही तो होता है, एक वाइपर है इसका हिस्सा, और ब्लूटूथ पे सुनो अपने दोस्त का किस्सा, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है, स्ट्रीट रेसर हेलमेट साथ ही तो होता है.
Introducing Street Racer Helmet with Viper and Bluetooth by Safety Techno. For further information, please contact us on 84699 or log on to www.safetytechno.org.
This is the TVC of our company.
क्या यार तू भी ना समझ ले स्पीड ब्रेकर के मॉडल हेलमेट के जमाने में तू भी यार लोकल हेलमेट यूज करता है ये देख मेरे पास है ये स्पीड ब्रेकर हेलमेट हाँ दोनों साथ में और कीमत कितना जब 1500 रुपये से शुरू होती है
अरे वाह मेरी तो 2000 की
2000 रुपये
अरे वाह अब तो कल से ही हफ्ता पहले ही ये लेने जाऊँ
10 रुपये पहले ही तू ये लेने जा
Introducing the all-new Street Racer helmet with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi by Safety Techno. For further information, please log on to www.safetytechno.org.
This is the website of our company. This is the home page of our company, and it talks about the what is our company all about and all the members of our company, and that is the page which is including the helmet and the features of our company. Features of the helmet. Price clarification. Our helmet costs reasonably, which every middle class person can afford, and the price range of our helmet is between 1,000 and 3,000. Price comparison with our competitors. Spark helmets, their helmets cost from 2,000 to 4,000, and they do not offer such features which we do. And the Street Racer helmets, which our company offers inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and cost rupees 1,000, between 1,000 and 3,000. Softwares used by us. We have used Cam Studio, Adobe, Wikileaks, Picasa and Photoshop. Acknowledgement. I would first like to thank Bijal ma'am for encouraging us and helping us at every point of time in this product make IPM. And I would also like to thank Ankush sir, Pradyuman sir and Esha.
We have just used 8 minutes. We still have 12 more minutes to go. So if you want to show a demo, we'll
Madam, there looks a problem in the product. So can we show this demo of the product? We make a video also.
We are sorry for the inconvenience.
No, sir, day before yesterday while we were making this video, the whole circuit that we had make got burned away. And so in emergency we need to make this use like this. Otherwise it works like a normal helmet. No plug or nothing is need to be used.
I want you to be a little more specific about your pricing, because you just said that it ranges from 1,000 to 3,000. So which element lies in the 1,000 bracket, which lies in the 1,500 to 2,000 bracket?
It is based on the Bluetooth and the Viper used. Because small Viper
Quality of the Bluetooth used.
See, we can also find Bluetooth of Hi-Fi Bluetooth, Nokia like company, and Bluetooth are also available like China, which cost normally around 200 to 300, and if we go for high quality Bluetooth, then it cost around 1,000.
What I'm telling is you need to be a little more specific. Like if you have 3 product ranges, you have 3 products of the same kind, then you need to specify the prices of each of those products. That's what I'm asking you. That's my question.
Yes, I understood the question.
So what do you, I mean, if I can elaborate, what would you sell for 1,000? What would you sell for 2,000?
See.
What comes for 3,000?
In this helmet, we have used a company Bluetooth. So this would cost around 1,800, and the helmet that cost around 1,000 to 1,200 is a helmet in which Bluetooth used is a China Bluetooth.
So that you haven't specifically mentioned. And instead of just keeping it loosely, simply mentioning it that we will have helmets ranging from 1,000 to 3,000, you could have just mentioned that we have 3 models, one with 1,000, another one with 2,000, another one with 3,000, and mention the difference. That this will have this features, this will have this features, and another 1,000 will have this.
And you guys had enough time, 15 or 15 minutes. So you should have mentioned it. You just went like a storm. You came and you went, we never realized you had to do it.
Yes, that only that was like that was only making video. We were just showing how it works.
To look at the positives, very good radio jingle.
Yes.
Nice, very good.
Very good. I think in acknowledgement we should have Ismail's yeah, the voice was
Voice was Ismail.
I think BTS for him.
And madam, one more thing to Moshmi. The last voice was
So
No. Helmets have been found on on internet. Helmets have been found like with only Bluetooth, either with only Bluetooth or either with only Viper. But we have mixed both the things.
And I saw certain helmets on the internet which cost around $130, and they also have blue GPRS and everything, but the price is very high, so it is not affordable for the middle class people.
Actually, this product is not available with both the systems together.
See what I'm thinking is this is such a simple thing to have a wiper to remove the water droplets. So why hasn't it been done so till now? I was wondering that. Why hasn't it been, this hasn't been an innovation till now in the world? This is I'm asking you as a research question.
No, I'm not telling. You are right. This type of Viper are found in world, but it only has Viper, nothing else. We have also attached the Bluetooth in that. We have combined both the things in this helmet.
Whose idea was this? I mean, how did you come up with this idea?
We were just discussing in the group, and then Bansal came with this idea.
It would have been better if the other people in the group had more voice as well. We heard less of the girls here, even the guy in the center, I heard less of them. So it would have been better basically, and all of you to manage your job.
Okay, a round of applause for